Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm showing you how to actually get a shortcut icon on your desktop for Fall Guys, just like this. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go down and open up your Epic Games Launcher. So simply type in Epic Games Launcher and here your Epic Games Launcher opens up. Now make sure to go down to your library where all your installed games appear. And as you can see, I have my Fall Guys right here. Now make sure that it is up to date and that you're signed into your account, because here we're going to the three dots right below. Simply press it, and from there we go down to manage right below explore add-ons. Now simply press manage, and here we have the manage, and as you can see we can create a desktop shortcut by simply pressing create. Now what this will do, it will actually create the desktop shortcut icon right here. Now you can simply use it to start up the game. Now if you still got any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.